Las Vegas is a city designed to keep you awake, but just 45 minutes away, there's a place that feels like it's been asleep for 100 years. I've always found peace in abandoned places. While the rest of the world rushes by just down the highway in Las Vegas, down here, everything stands still. Come with me to Nelson Ghost Town. Let's explore what got left behind. Walking in, your first instinct might be just to see this as just junk. But if you slow down, it stops looking like debris and starts telling a story. From antique cooking tools to rusted school buses, you can see how this wasn't just a mine, it was a life. It was an escape for people chasing fortune. The beauty of a ghost town is the silence. It allows you to look at the details. You can see how they lived, how they cooked, how they survived the heat. Can you imagine taking a bath out here in the open? There is something almost poetic about a bathtub sitting under the open desert sky. But the silence is deceptive. This town, originally known as El Dorado, has a violent heart. Legends say the Spanish discovered gold here as far back as 1775. By the time the Techatticup Mine was established in the 1860s, this wasn't a quiet town. It was notorious. It was lawless. To understand how dangerous the place was, you have to look at who lived here. During the Civil War, this canyon was a hideout for deserters for both the Union and Confederate armies. They hated each other, but they were stuck here together digging for gold. It was so violent that for years, the nearest sheriff, who was 200 miles away, refused to even come here. Disputes weren't settled with lawsuits. They were settled with revolvers. Walking past this chapel now, it feels peaceful. But 100 years ago, this soil saw more greed than grace. As you explore, you find things that don't fit the timeline. Plane crashes that look staged. Classic cars that look like they drove straight out of 1950s Las Vegas and died here. Some of this is real history. Some of it was placed here later for movies or photos. But honestly, it doesn't matter. It all blends together into a strange, rusted graveyard of the American dream. The desert preserves metal, but it destroys stone. If you drive further down the road, you reach Nelson's Landing. Today it's a stunning overlook of the Colorado River. When I stood here, the silence was heavy, almost deafening. But this view comes at a cost. This used to be a bustling port for the mines. But on September 14, 1974, a massive flood tore through the canyon. A wall of water, reported to be 40 feet high, wiped the village of Nelson's Landing off the map. 9 lives were lost that day. Standing here now, looking at the calm water, it's a reminder of how quickly nature can take it all back. There is so much more to Nevada than neon lights. I love driving these open roads, seeing the mountains, and finding the quiet spots. If you're looking for more escapes like this, I'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks for exploring with me.